Greetings and welcome once again to my new calculus channel. My name is John Gabriel, and I'd like to elaborate a little further with respect to Vectoria's theorem, which I elaborated a little bit in a previous video. So I'm going to show you that this theorem basically reinforces what I've been telling you all these years, that calculus is 100% geometric, doesn't require the bullshit of limit theory, which is circular and flawed, nor any other ill-formed concept. So let's see how Vectoria's theorem handles both the derivative and a definite integral. Let's begin. So, what does Vectoria's theorem state? Well, it states that if you take the magnitude of two vectors, let's just see two vectors, s and t, and take that as a ratio of h, of the length of the vector h. These are all vectors here. I should have actually put h in. In fact, this is how it should look. Let's fix it while I'm here. That's very easy. Just go like this. And like this. And it's fixed. Okay. So this is what Vectoria's theorem states, this little part here. And let's see the theorem in action. Okay. So it means that we can take this triangle, position it anywhere we like. Let's find a little spot here. Let's put that over there so we can have it on actual points like that, like that. You can just simply place this anywhere on the point of intersection, move this guy there, and voila. You have everything you need, okay? Do you see that? Do you see that? Let's just put that there, move that out of the way. So it doesn't matter which particular function you're going to be looking at. As long as it's smooth, you're going to have a derivative, and it's pretty simple. It's just 100% geometry. Okay. Then how about integration? Well, we can look at integration. So this dotted green line is the integral of this blue line. And if we integrate here, we'll see that this area is equal to 3, which is what it should be, because that's the area from x equals 2 to x equals 4 of y is equal to 2x. This happens to be, what is this? Is that, let's just see here. No problem. Oh, where is it? My eyes are not that good. It happens to be quarter x squared. Okay. So this curve here is quarter x squared. This is the derivative. And this is the area. So Vectoria's theorem deals with both, right? And what's the conclusion? So the conclusion is that calculus is 100% geometric. Okay. So for example, you can't say that this here is the derivative when this vector disintegrates into a point. I mean, that's just bullshit, okay? Nor can you say it's this, because then you don't, watch what happens. What is going to happen if you say s minus t when you have this, okay? You're not going to have the right answer. Let's just get that out of the way. What's going to happen if you do that? That's not right. See, geometrically, that's bullshit. Can you see that? Think about it, you morons. I'm talking to you, professors of mathematics and calculus in the mainstream. I'm not talking to your lackeys, those poor students whose minds you brain fuck with your ultra bullshit of set theory, topology, and real analysis. I'm talking to you. You need to pay attention because you're the problem. Your students are not the problem. You are the problem. The lot of you baboons should be fired immediately. And I think it would be better if students just taught themselves, frankly, because your drivel is so toxic that it affects the learning of students throughout their careers, throughout their lives. Okay, you bullshit mainstream math PhDs. I'm addressing you, morons. You field medals winners. I'm addressing you, you monkeys. I'm not addressing the students. I'm addressing you. You are the baboons, not the students. So that's the conclusion. Calculus does not require the bullshit of circular limit theory or any other mainstream math drivel that you're taught. And this is, again, a confirmation because Victoria's theorem is based on my not new calculus, my historic geometric theorem, which actually fixes your bullshit calculus, by the way. To see a description of that, you need to study this article. You will not. I don't care if you're a Fields Medal winner or a Abel Prize, nincompoop, or anything. You will not understand what I'm talking about here unless you study this article. Don't go to this link and try to read it without creating an account on academia. It will tell you not found or you're in the wrong aisle. Did you get that? You moronic PhD, you math PhDs, you baboons. You need to study this. Do you understand that? And I treat you, I address you in the language that you understand because I have nothing but contempt for you. Who am I? I'm the great John Gabriel. Who are you? Fucking idiots. To all students out there who have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, become a members only, because I share a lot of things on my members only channel. And I've been preaching these things for decades, but morons don't listen. So become a member, okay? And for $4.99, you can get access to a lot of other information. Now, when you go to try and read this article, it's free to log on to academia and it's free to create an account. And it's free to download this. There's also another fantastic article here, which will free your mind from the drivel that you find in mainstream mathematics, okay? And it's called Learning the Correct Way, okay? Because only I know how to teach you to learn the correct way. No other human does, okay? Yes, that's a pretty big statement. Here it is. Learning the Correct Way, free forever because there's prices. Now, you can get this with a watermark. It's a book. Or you can buy it for €10 or $10 on Amazon Kindle. That's pretty much it. I'm the great John Gabriel signing off. Till next time, goodbye.